So you guys know how I bitch and moan about a milkshake that's thick and you need a spoon to drink? Well, there's nothing worse than a smoothie that doesn't have milk as a base. Say coconut or almond milk. Those are the only two acceptable answers anyway. Because when I observed the poor lady trying to pour this, the contents did not want to come out of the blender cup. It's as if it needs a liquid to run liquidy. So yeah, this is gonna suck. But anyway. It was free, so I'm not tripping. This is a strawberry, banana, and blueberry smoothie from Tropical Smoothie Cafe. And I noticed that was it. They don't have almond butter. They don't have anything that I pretty much would go for. So I added chocolate and coconut. And because those were extras, of course, I had to pay like $1.62. Which is fine. But this is why I refuse to buy things without seeing the method of it first. Because had I actually personally spent the $7 and something that this originally costs, I would have been mad. I don't think it's worth it. Especially something so basic and simple that I can go home and make it way better in every direction. Especially when it comes to consistency. I had the option of choosing between this or a bowl. And I thought about the bowl, but it just didn't speak to me. I would try their fruit, though. I saw they have, like, sandwiches and wraps. And I hear that they're decent. So, maybe I'll try them. It's just kind of hard for me to review food nowadays because I have become very picky about it. Actually, I just figured out the real reason why that smoothie sucks. They use ice instead of a milk. I just had like a piece of something and I kind of bit into it and it melted and it was watery. They use ice. These monsters make smoothies with ice. I didn't see the smoothie being made actually because I pre-ordered it online. I don't like to wait when I go places. But by the time I got there, they were pretty much finishing it up. So I didn't get to really observe the whole smoothie making process. These motherfuckers use ice. Why do people do that? Why do people put ice on ice cream to make smoothies, to make milkshakes? It does not make any sense to me. Who came up with that? Not even for temperature purposes. You mean to tell me that the temperature of the milk in the fridge is not good enough? At any rate, don't go to Tropical Smoothie Cafe for the smoothies. They're not all that. And if you think I'm making it up, look at this. This is the problem with not having milk as a base. It just chunks up on the bottom, and then you have to wait for it to melt until you can mess with that. It doesn't go anywhere. It sucks. Also, I just looked at my receipt, and I noticed that I did take out the turbinado sugar as an option. If you have fruit, why would you add sugar? Why? It's already sweet. I kind of like it when something disappoints me because once I let it out, it's like, okay, I let it out. I like being a food critic. Shit, I like to be a critic of everything. I just like to understand things. It helps me understand myself, and that's why it's very, very, very hard to frustrate and disappoint me. Because I have taken the time to evaluate things. Not just superficially and be like, I went to that place and I didn't like it. Why didn't you like it? If you cannot explain it, then I think you're just being bitchy without a cause. The way that I bitch is the best way.